Hello friend, I hope your preparation is going well and my video is helping you. Today in this tutorial we solve a problem which have asked in GATE 2018 and based on piston cylinder arrangement. So first we understand what is given in the question and what you have to find. In the given question, air is held inside a non-insulated cylinder using a piston which have mass 25 kg and area of 100 cm square, and a stopper is used here which have negligible area or mass, and the meaning of non-insulated cylinder is heat interaction between the air and surrounding is allowed here, and initial pressure, that is Pi, and temperature Ti of air inside the cylinder are 200 kilopascal and 400 degrees Celsius respectively, and also the ambient pressure and temperature are 100 kilopascal and 27 degrees Celsius respectively. Then in the question, and we have to find the temperature of air inside the cylinder in degrees Celsius at which the piston will begin to move. That is, we have to find the temperature of air at which piston just start to move, and this is key point, will begin to move, that we use to solve this problem. So friend, I hope you have understand this question very well. Now let's go for the solution. Here we have supposed Tf is temperature at which piston begin to move, and mass of piston, that is m, is 25 kg, area 100 centimeter square, and in meter square it is equal to 10 to the power minus 2 meter square, and initial pressure of air is 200 kilopascal and initial temperature 400 degrees Celsius. Also ambient pressure Pa is 100 kilopascal and ambient temperature is 27 degrees Celsius, and these all value have given in the question, and according to the question the cylinder is non-insulated and ambient temperature is less than the air temperature, so heat transfer from air will take place to the surrounding, and at some point the piston will begin to move, and at that point we have to find the temperature. Since air is held inside the cylinder, so the mass of air will be constant, and m initial is equal to m final, and by ideal gas equation, that is Pv is equal to mRT, mass is equal to Pv divided by RT. So now by this relation, initial mass is equal to P initial into volume initial divided by R into T initial, and final mass is equal to final pressure into final volume divided by R into final temperature. Here R is common, so it cancel out here. Since Tf is temperature at which piston begin to move, and at that point volume will also be same, so here Vi or Vf is also cancel out. So from this equation, Tf is equal to Pf into Ti divided by Pi, and here Pf is pressure at which piston will begin to move, and Pf or pressure at that time will be equal to the sum of atmospheric pressure and pressure exerted by this piston due to its weight, and it's equal to weight, that is mg divided by area of piston. So now Pf is equal to Pa plus mg divided by A, and now Tf is equal to 100 plus m25 into 10, that is gravitational acceleration, and area 10 to the power minus 2, and to convert it in kilopascal we have divided it by 10 to the power 3, and Ti in Kelvin is equal to 673, and Pi is 200 kilopascal. So after calculating it, here we are getting the value of Tf, which is equal to 420.625 Kelvin, and in degrees Celsius it is equal to 147.625 degrees Celsius. So friend, I hope you have understand this tutorial, and if you have any doubt, feel free to ask in comment section. We try to solve as quick as possible. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Have a good day.